Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab and scroll down to grade 5 maths. So there you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. And the lessons we're going to cover today are add, subtract, multiply and divide decimals. Then evaluate numerical expressions. Then add, subtract, multiply and divide whole numbers, and then we'll do the final test of the chapter. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is add, subtract, multiply and divide decimals. So here I am on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is make expressions and I am on the lesson add, subtract, multiply and divide decimals. So let's just start with the first example. The first example is 0.2 times 0.2 times 8. So you have to multiply. 0.2 is a decimal number and 8 is the whole number. Got it? So you simply multiply like we do the whole numbers. Just do 2 times 8. Got it? We know that 2 times 8 is 16. Now you can count the decimal in the factors. You can count the decimal places in the factor. You have just one decimal place in 0.2. Got it? That means you have to move one decimal place left in the answer. Got it? Just move one decimal place left. So it would be then 1.6. Got it? So that means 0.2 times 8 is 1.6. Got it? Okay. Let's just go on to the next example. Next example is 0.56 take away 0.15. So you have to subtract. Just subtract like we do simple subtraction. Got it? Start with the rightmost digit. You have to do 6 take away 5. So 6 take away 5 is 1. Then you have 5 take away 1. 5 take away 1 is 4. And here you have a decimal point. So it would be 0.41. Got it? Okay, the next example we have is multiply. Multiply 9.7 times 14. So simple, remove the decimal point and multiply like we do the decimals. Just do 97 times like we do the whole numbers. Got it? Not decimals. Just multiply 97 times 14. Got it? 4 times 7 is 28, right? 8 over here, carry 2. 4 times 9 is 36 and 2 38. So it would be 388. Got it? Now we're going to multiply the tens digit. 1 times 7 is 7 and 1 times 9 is 9. We'll just add them 8. 8 plus 7 is 15, 5, 1 carry, 9 and 1, 10 and 3, 13. That is the simple multiplication like we do with the whole numbers. Got it? Now just look at the decimal point. In the factor, you have decimal point right after the one digit. Got it? That means you have to place the decimal point one place left. Basically the decimal point is over here. That is 1358.0. Just move decimal point one place left. So it would be then 135.8. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, first one is you have to divide 3 divided by 6. So 3 is the smaller number and 6 is the greater one. Got it? We cannot divide 3 by 6. So we have to put a decimal point over here and a 0 over here. Got it? Now you can divide 30 by 6. So 6 times what number is 30? 6 times 5 is 30. Got it? So the correct option is 0.5. 30 take away 30 is 0. So the correct option is 0.5. Got it? So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 0.9 times 0.8. Okay, so just multiply like we do the whole numbers. Just do 9 times 8. Got it? 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, just look at the decimal places in both the digits. Both the digits have one decimal place. Got it? That means the answer must have two decimal places. Got it? So basically the decimal point is here. Move it to 2 places left. So it would be then 0.72. Got it? So it is 0.72. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. One is 7.1 times 0.6. So just multiply like we do the whole numbers, just do 71 times 6. So 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 7 is 42. Now count the decimal places in both the factors, one decimal place and one decimal place. Got it? That means the answer must have two decimal places. So you have to move decimal point from here to left two places. Got it? Just move decimal point two places left. So it would be 4.26. Got it? So the correct option is 4.26. Got it? Got it, everyone? If you already know the answers, you can just write down the answers in the chat box. Okay, the next one is 5.1 times 0.2. So just multiply like whole numbers, multiply 51 times 2. It would be 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 5 is 10. So both the factors have one decimal place. That means the answer must have two decimal places. Got it? So you have to move decimal point from here to two places left. So it would be then 1.02. Got it? If you have any question, you can just write down the question in the chat box. And if you already know the answers, you can just write down the answers in the chat box. Okay, yes, very good. It is 1.02. Okay, the next one is 0.3 times 0.8. So which is the correct option? Just multiply them like you do whole numbers. You do 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So both the factors have one decimal place. That means answer must have two decimal places. So you have to move decimal point from here to two places left. So it would be then here. So the correct option is 0.24. Got it, everyone? It would be 0.24. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to add. So add like we do the whole numbers. 9 and 4 is 9 plus 4 makes 13. Write 3 over here and carry 1 to the next digit. 5 and 1, 6. So you have a decimal point, one place left. So it would be then 6 point. The correct option is 6.3. Got it? So the correct option is 6.3. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 12 times 0.9. So just do 12 times 9. So 12 times 9 is 9 times 2 is 18 and 1 carry. 9 times 1 is 9 and 1 10. So just one factor have a decimal point, got it? And it is one decimal place in it. So that means you have to move decimal point just one place left, got it? So when you move just one place left, it would be then from here to here, it would be then 10.8. Got it? The correct option is 10.8. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Next one is 0.2 times 0.8. So which is the correct option? Multiply like whole numbers. So 8 times 2 is 16. So both the factors have one decimal place. 1 and 1. That means the answer must have two decimal places. Got it? So you have to move decimal point from here to two decimal places left. It would be then 0.16. Very good. So the correct option is 0.16. Got it? Okay, the next one you have to subtract. So which is the correct option? 8 take away 2 is 6. Then 5 take away 5 is 0. 5 take away 7. You cannot subtract 5 out of 7, so you have to borrow 1. It would be 15 here. 15 take away 7 is 8. And 6 take away 3 is 3. So it would be 38.06. Got it? The correct option is 38.06. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's start with the next lesson. The next lesson is evaluate numerical expressions. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. I am here to answer all your questions. Or if you already know the answers, you just have to write down the answers in the chat box. Got it? Okay, you have to evaluate. Now you have the numerical expressions that involves more than one operations. Got it? So you have to do from left to right. You have to move from left to right. So some important points you have to understand is division and multiplication has the highest priority. Then you have addition and subtraction. Got it? But if in a sentence you have division and multiplication both, you have to do from left to right. Like in the left, if you have division first, just divide first and then multiply. Got it? Let's start with the example. 9 divided by 3 plus 7 plus 5. So you have to start from left to right. Got it? So for in the left, the first is 9 divided by 3. So just 9 divided by 3. Got it? So 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 3 is 9. So it would be 3. Now add and subtract from left to right. So 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. And then 10 plus 5, that makes 15. Got it? So whatever the operations are, keep this point in your mind. You have to do division and multiplication first, but you have to do from left to right. If in the left you have division first, do division first. If you have the multiplication first, you have to do multiplication first. And for addition and subtraction, that is the rule. You have to do from left to right. Got it? Okay, let's see the next example. Which is the next example. Okay, just look at this one now. You have multiplication and division both in the both in the question, but in the left you have multiplication first, so just do division first. Sorry, when starting from left to right you have multiplication first, so just do multiplication. Like here you have 7 times 5 is 35. Then you have to perform the division. So divide 35 by 1, that is 35, and last you have to do the addition. Got it? Because multiplication and division has higher priority than addition and subtraction. Got it? So 35 plus 9 is, I think 44 it is. Yes, it is 44. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Okay. Now just look at the question. You have division and multiplication, but you have to do from left to right. So first of all, we have to perform the division. Got it? So 9 divided by 9 is 1. Got it? Just write down the rest of the question as it is. Okay, now you have addition and multiplication. Multiplication has the higher priority. Got it? Now you have to multiply. Got it? 8 times 5 is 40. And then last you have to do addition. 40 plus 1 equals 41. Got it, everyone? So the correct option is 41. Got it? If you have any question, any confusion, you can ask if you have any. The correct option is 41. Okay, the next one is 1 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 2. So first of all, you have to perform the division. Got it? You have to do 8 divided by 4. 4 times what number is 8? 4 times 2 is 8. Got it? So the correct option. So for this one, you have to 1 plus, just replace this portion with 2 and the rest of the question you have. Now you can go from left to right. Got it? It would be then 2 plus 1 is 3, and then do 3 plus 2. So the correct option is 5. Got it? So the correct option is 5. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 5 times 7 divided by 1. So from left to right, we have multiplication first. So just do multiplication. Got it? 9 times 5 is, sorry, 5 times 7 is, you have 5 times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. Got it? Now you have to do division first. Just divide. When you divide 35 by 1, 35 times 1 is 35. The answer is 35. And now you have to do addition. 35 plus 9 is 44. So the correct option is 44. Got it? 35 plus 9 is 44. Okay. So the next one is 6 take away 7 divided by 7 plus 7. So you have to do division first. Got it? 7 divided by 7 is 1. Now you have addition and subtraction. Go from left to right. Got it? 6 take away 1 is 5, and 5 plus 7 is 12. Got it? So the correct option is 12. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? The correct option is 12. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 3 plus 2 times 7. So first of all, we have to perform the multiplication. Got it? It would be 7 times 2 is 14. Got it? So the correct option is 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 plus 14 is 24. So the correct option is 24. Got it? So the correct option is 24. Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. 24 it is, sorry, not 22. Okay, which is the correct option for next one? 9 times 3 plus 1 minus 5. So which is the correct option? 9 times 3 is 27. Then you have to do 27 plus 1. 27 plus 1 is 28. And then 28 minus 5 is, yes, the correct option is 23. Got it? So the correct option is 23. Okay, the next one is 2 times 5 divided by 5 plus 4. So going from left to right, first of all, you have to perform the multiplication. Got it? So 2 times 5 is 10. Then you have to do division. 5 times what number is 10? 5 times 2 is 10. Then you have to do 2 plus 4. Got it? So 2 plus 4 is 6. Got it? So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 6 plus 8 minus 5 divided by 1. So you have to do division first. Got it? 5 divided by 1 is, basically you have to do like this. Got it? 1 times 5 is 5. Got it? So the answer is 5. It would be 6 plus 8 minus 5. Now from left to right, you have to do addition. 6 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14, and 14 minus 5 equals 9. So the correct option is 9. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? The next lesson is add, subtract, multiply, and divide whole numbers. Okay, you have to add like we do the whole numbers. Got it? I'm going to start with the test because we all know how to add the whole numbers, isn't it? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide them. Let's just do the practice questions. You can have a look on the questions, on the tutorial questions by yourself. Got it? They are already solved. Okay, you have to subtract. Let's start from the ones digit. Just subtract 7 out of 6. So 7 out of 6 is 7. Take away, let me just write down here because I cannot write this short. Okay, 7 take away 6 is 1. Then 6 take away 4 is 2. 1 take away 1 is 0. 2 take away 8, we cannot subtract 2 out of 8, so we have to borrow 1. So when you borrow 1, you are left with 3 here and it makes 12 here. Got it? 12 take away 8 is, it is 4. Got it? Then 3 take away 1 is 2. And then again we have 3 take away 1, that is 2. So it is 2, 2, 4, 0 to 1. So the correct option is the second one. Got it? If you already know the answers, you can just write down the answer in the chat box. Got it? Yes, very good. You can just write down the option like 1 or 2. Okay. So now we have to multiply. Got it? So that is the simple multiplication. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 3 is 6. Isn't it? So which option is the correct one? That is very simple multiplication. You have to multiply by 2, just one digit multiplication. You don't have any carry in this one. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to divide. Got it? So let's start with the division. Let's start with the first digit 3. 3 is smaller than 4. So we cannot divide 3 by 4. You have to make it 36. Got it? You have to count a table of 4 until 36. So 4 times what number is 36? 4 times 9 is 36. Got it? 36 take away 36 is 0. Bring the 0 down. 4 times 0 is 0. Now bring the 0, take away 0 is 0. Now bring the next digit down. 8 4 times what number is 8? 4 times 2 is 8. 8 take away 8 is 0. Bring the 2 down. So you cannot divide 4 by 2. You have to add a 0 here and bring 8 down. So 4 times 7 is 28. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Got it? So the correct option is 90207. So the second option is the correct one. Is there any confusion with division? Okay, so the correct option is the second one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to multiply 516 times 9. Okay, let's just do multiplication. Okay, you have to do 9 times 6 is 54. Write 4 here and carry 5. 9 times 1 is 9 and 5 14. Write 4 here and carry 1. 9 times 5 is 45 and 1 46. So it is 4644. Got it? The correct option is 4644. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 6, you have to divide 60 by 6. So 6 times what number is 60? 6 times 10 is 60. Got it? So the correct option is 10. Got it? 6 times 10 is 60. The correct option is 10. Got it? Okay, the next one is 80 divided by 4. Yes, 4 times what number is 80? Very good. It is 4 times 2 is 8, so it would be 20. Got it? The correct option is 20. Okay, you have to subtract. So 3 take away 2 is 1. 9 take away 7 is 2. 9 take away 9 is 0. And here you have 3. So it would be 3021. Got it? The correct option is 3021. The correct option is 3021. Okay, 2 times what number is 4? 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Okay, you have to divide. It's a bit long. Let's just do 6, 3, 7, 3, 5, 6, 6. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 take away 6 is 0. Let's just bring the next digit down. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 take away 3 is 0. Let's just bring 7 down. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 take away 6 is 1. Bring the next digit down. 3 times 4 is 12. 13 take away 12 is 1. Bring the 5 down. 3 times 5 is 15. Bring the 6 down. 3 times 2 is 6. And again 6 down, and 3 times 2 is 6. Got it? So if you have any confusion, you can ask. It is the option number 1, 2, and 2, 4, 5, 2, 2. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. If you have any question, you can ask. I will explain again. Got it? So option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is you have to subtract. So 4 take away 1 is 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. 5 take away 3 is 2. 5 take away 1 is 4. And 6 take away 4 is 2. So it would be option number 1, 24,213 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. And the next one is the final test of the chapter mixed operations. So let's just start with the final test of the chapter. So here I am on the final test of the chapter. So let's start with the final test. Okay, the first one is you have to evaluate. That's the same thing we did today. So you have to do from left to right. You have to do division first. Got it? So 2 times what number is 8? 2 times 4 is 8. So it is now 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 plus 9 is 18. Got it? You have to perform multiplication and division first, but you have to go from left to right. So the operation that is on the left side, you have to do it first. Got it? Then you have to perform the addition and subtraction. Got it? So the correct option for this one is 18. Got it? Okay, the next one is 61 times 4. So which is the correct option? 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 6 is 24. So the correct option is 244. Got it? So the correct option is 244. The next one is write an expression for operation described below. Multiply 10 by 7. Type the x if you want to use a multiplication sign. Type slash if you want to use a division sign. Do not simplify the expression. So which is the correct option? 10 by 7. Multiply 10 by 7. That is option number 1. You have to multiply by using, so it will be 10 times 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is Pam went to a candy store and bought 2/5 of a pound of candy. If 1/6 of a Pam's candy was chocolate, how many pounds of the chocolate candy did Pam buy? Pam went to the candy store and bought 2/5 of a pound of candy. If 1/6 of a Pam's candy was chocolate, how many pounds of the chocolate? It's okay. On the final test, you have different questions. How many pounds of chocolate candy did Pam buy? So you have to wait. Sorry. You have to do 2 by 5 divided by 1 over 6. Got it? Just replace this division side with multiplication 1. It would be, you have to divide 1 by 6 by 2 by 5. Got it? So just replace this division sign to multiplication. Let me just read the question. Pam went to a candy store and bought 2/5 of a pound of candy. If okay, you have to just multiply 2/5. 1/6 of 2 by 5 is chocolate, so just multiply them. 2 times 1 is 2, and 5 times 6 is 30. Got it? You have to divide them by a common factor, that is 2. So just divide. It will be 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 15 is 30. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 50. You have to calculate 1/6 of 2 by 5. Got it? So you have to do 2 by 5 times 1 over 6. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 15. Basically, the concepts are same. The concepts we learned on the chapter are same. Just the questions are different. So you have to use your concept to solve the questions. Got it? You can do the final test by yourself if you have completed the chapter by yourself. Got it? You can try later today. Got it? Okay, Carson's science class places weights on a scale during an experiment. Each weight weighs 0.6 kilograms. If the class puts 20 weights on the scale at the same time, what will the scale read? So just one of the weight weighs 0.3. Got it? So they place 20 weights. You have to calculate the total value on the scale. So you have to do 0.3 times 20. Got it? So 20 times 3 is 60. Just put a decimal point, so it would be 6.0. That means 6. The total weight, 20 weights, the scale read 6 kilograms. Got it? So the correct option is 6. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 5 times 6 plus 3 times 9. So from left to right, you have to do multiplication first. Got it? 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 3, now you have to do from left to right, so perform addition first and then subtraction. 30 plus 3 is 33, and 39 subtract 3 is, it is 24. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the button. Of the student on the track team won 4th route jumping event. Of the students who do jumping events, 2/3 do the long jump. What fraction of the students on the track team do the long jump? So you have to calculate 2/3 of 1 by 4. Got it? just do 1 by 4 times 2 of 3 because you have to calculate 2/3 of 1 by 4. So you have to do 2 times 1 is 2 and 4 times 3 is 12. So just divide them by a common factor. The common factor is 2. So divide them by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 6 is 12. So it would be 1 over 6. The correct option is 1 over 6. Got it? Okay, the next one is a grocery store chain has 1 0 3 5 5 4 0 to buy new shelves. If each shelf costs $9, how many shelves can the grocery store purchase? So basically, you have to divide by 9. Got it? Divide this value by 9. The value is 1 0 3 5 5 4 0 by 9. Got it? 9 times 1 is 9. 10 take away 9 is 1. Bring the next digit down. Again, 9 times 1 is 9. 13 take away 9 is 4. Bring the next digit down. You have 45. Got it? So 9 times. Chris, do you have any question? Please write down the question. 5 times 9 times 5 is 45. 45 take away 45 is 0. Now bring the next digit down. We cannot divide 9 by 5. So here you have to put a 0 and bring the next digit down. 9 times 6 is 54. And we are left with a 0. So just bring the 0 down. 9 times 0 is 0. That means the correct option is 115060. The second option is the correct one. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to do 2 times 5 times 8 negative 8. Subtract 8. So just do multiplication first. 2 times 5 is 10. Then you have again a multiplication. 10 times 8 is 80. And 80 minus 8 is 72. Got it? So the correct option is 72. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is before the recent housing boom, there were 3,433 houses in Clinton County. Now there are 39,826 houses. How many houses did the developers build during the housing boom? So just subtract the current value with the one that is before the housing boom. So it would be 39,826 take away 3,437. 6 take away 7 is 1. You have to borrow 1. It would be now 12 and here you have 7. 12 take away 3 is 9. 7 take away 4 is, you cannot subtract 6 out of 7, sorry. You have to borrow 1. 39,826, 3437. 16 it is. Here you have 1. 16 take away 7 is 9. Here you have 7 and here you have 11. 11 take away 3 is 8. 7 take away 4 is 3. 9 take away 3 is 6 and here you have 3. That would be 36,389. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is mixed operations and the lessons we have covered today are add, subtract, multiply and divide decimals. Then evaluate numerical expressions. Then we did add, subtract, multiply and divide whole numbers. And the one we just completed is the final test of the chapter. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the session for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions if you have any. Be quick if you have any question. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.